Burnout is always a fan favorite at the SEMA show.
You're at the Super Bowl of Burnouts. If you're not here, I'm sorry, you just weren't good enough to get here.
All right, Super Bowl of Burnouts.
Our Dani Masten took our cameras as close as you can get to the action.
We are doing what we do best. Show the people how to boogie, have fun, and lay some tire down on the ground in a safe environment.
I just have to tell you, just a few seconds ago, and I'm sure you guys will get a feel for it as well, I had this on, I couldn't see, it's so loud and so smoky, but it's so impressive. Where are these drivers coming from? We got drivers from Australia, New York, New Jersey, Canada, and even in our backyard of Vegas and California. How dangerous is this?
It's actually the safest environment you can be in. We got fire crews on the back, we got a fire extinguisher, and we got help and safety in the back, so we're all good.
Sometimes they've got 2 people in at a time here, Gary.
There is a chance. Sometimes at the end of the event, we might get 5 to 6 people in here.
Oh my God.
Yes, coordinated mayhem at its best.
What's happening now? What's happening?
But unfortunately, it's like the Coliseum. Not everybody leaves the way they came in.
Hey, fair enough. I would not leave the way that I came in. I would need to be pushed out.
Trust me, out of anything you can think can happen, we've seen it, but everybody has never walked away unhappy.
Thanks for watching this segment from 5DRVtv. For more automotive entertainment, be sure to download the 5DRVtv app from Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.